Alright, this is a simple and fast review of the RTT Griddle Cleaning Kit. I'm going to open this up and walk you through all the different pieces. First of all, there's a ton of these. Grill scraper. Light, sorry. A couple pumice stones and a replacement. Again, just a little scouring pad. Even more of these coming. So lots of these. And I think that is it. And then of course, just simple instructions on the griddle scraper, the scouring pad, and the cleaning brick. So we're going to go ahead and start working on it. Let you know what we think. All right. So the first thing you want to do is use this tool to kind of just scrape. And again, it's not going to be perfect. You'll want to kind of wet it sometimes, but you can just see how it scrapes off some of this junk. I like to do it when it's hot, but I try and mix it up in hot and cold, and that way you'll have a little bit of a, both, and really be able to get out most of the junk. So first thing I do is scrape. Next thing I like to do is get some water on there. Really let it kind of work its way in there. Get hot, and that's when I'm going to take this and really do kind of a circular motion up and down, and really just try and clean as much of the space as you can. The rest is going to kind of work its way off, but as you can see, that's why there's a lot of these scouring pads. Just really try and get as much as you can off to really help them clean. And then the final piece of the puzzle is once it's cool, and we're not going to do it right now, we're just going to take this brush, or I'm sorry, this pumice stone, and just work it all the way over through. So to me, I really enjoy tools like this. It really helps get some of the burn-on stuff. We use a lot of sauces when we're cooking, and that stuff will get on there, and it'll take a while to cook, to come off if you don't keep working with the right tools. So to me, those are the tools that you want to use, and hopefully I'll get this thing back to looking like that all over and get rid of that big messy thing that's some dead barbecue, if we'll call it that. So hopefully this review helps, and to me it's a no-brainer to buy, and thanks for watching.